Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, students. I hope you are all fine.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Sonali. So we'll wait for 2 minutes, right? Let's hope more students join in and then we can start with our activity. So just to, revise what we did in our last class. So we started with a discussion of personality, right? Rather, we started with an activity where I asked you to write about yourself and not to give me the details, the usual details about, I come from this city, this is my family, this is the degree I am pursuing. I wanted to know what you are as a person, right? And you wrote really well, right? Some of you, whichever students they shared their write-ups that day, I remember I learned a lot of interesting facts about you, about what you like to do, what are your aims and ambitions, right? So in this class as well, we'll just continue from there on. Let's hope more students join in and within a minute or two, I'll begin. All right. In case you want to discuss anything, you want to ask anything, you are most welcome. Right. Let's use this time for interaction. Any doubts you might have. How are your other classes going on? I hope they're going well.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I think we have a good strength now. Right, for the students who had missed the last class, I had given an activity about writing about yourself. Right, so in case you are also interested, you may take your time, write it, and then you can send the write up to me on WhatsApp, just click a picture. Right, I just ask them to write about who they think they are as, individuals, as people. All right, not the details about what you are studying, right? Who all are there in your family. I just ask them to write about their interests, who they think they are as an individual. All right, so we'll just continue from there. I'll share the PPT with you. All right. All right, so here we have the PPT. Yes. So this is what we started with, that who are you, right? And then I asked them to write about themselves, right? So now we'll discuss more about what is personality and what was the purpose of giving you that activity, right? So as you also might have noticed that each of us wrote very different things, right? We are different individuals. Some of us like sports, some of us are very, outgoing, while others are not. Some people prefer to read books, some are interested in baking, some are very ambitious about the future, right? So all these characteristics, they make us unique individuals, right? I don't think so that you would ever find somebody who's completely like you, like your carbon copy. Hanji, would you like to share? Have you ever met somebody like, whose interests match your interests 100%? Hanji, bache. Yes, what insights do you have on that? In Aditya, Sonali? हाँ जी बच्चे, what would you like to say about it? कभी आपको कोई ऐसा मिला, even in your friends, how much are you, how many common interests do you have with your friends as well? Yes. Do share something, मतलब कुछ आपका मैच करता है नहीं? I think for friendship to blossom, you do need some common ground as well. However, there are some traits which are completely opposites, yet you are real good friends with them, right? So if I talk about personality, personality is unique and relatively stable qualities that characterize an individual's behavior across different situations over a period of time. Now, abhi agar isko aise read karen, this sounds like a very scientific sounding, definition straight out of the book. But we can just break it down to understand this concept better, right? So here we have unique and relatively stable qualities, right? So unique, why? Because the combination of qualities in you might not be there in anybody else, right? So it always varies. हो सकता है कि आपको ठीक है बुक्स भी पसंद है, आपको स्पोर्ट्स भी पसंद है, किसी और को शायद अकेली बुक्स पसंद हो, and link that to also your other, whether you like to keep your room clean or not, whether you are always on time or not, or are you a more laid back person. तो ये सारा जो combination of characteristics हैं, combination of qualities हैं, these are unique to each of us, right? And they are relatively stable. By this we mean that yes, even across different contexts, across different situations, even when you're surrounded by different people, ये जो आपकी stable qualities हैं, ये ऐसी ही रहती हैं, right? So in case you like books, yes, you definitely like books, whether you are at home or at college, right? वो आपको उस चीज का शौक है, that is your interest, so that will remain like that, right? And these qualities, they characterize our behavior across different situations over a period of time. So yes, if somebody is, very talkative and fond of meeting new people, that person is like that since childhood. ठीक है, we do change. I agree that we do change over a period of time. ठीक है, with age, let's say once you are in school, then you come to college. Now in future you will be working in professional environments. तो आपका कुछ ना कुछ तो change हो रहा है, but एक फिर भी एक, if we were to boil it down to certain characteristics, they would remain the same throughout your life, right? So this is how our personality is made of. This is what our personality is made of. It is just these stable characteristics, these stable qualities, right? अब जैसे आपको याद होगा, we did discuss, कि personality की एक layman language में इसकी क्या definition होती है? That if a person is good looking, that is person is equated with having a charming personality, right? If somebody is authoritative, that person might be called that this person has bold personality. So again, this also varies. But if we are to talk in terms of psychology, then personality is a very wide term, and this is what is all is included in personality. All right. So abhi I have few related terms which I wanted to share, जो हम कई बार कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं कि व्हाट इज पर्सनैलिटी उसके साथ. सो जस्ट लेट्स टेक अ क्विक लुक एट दैट एंड देन विल कम टू द डिस्कशन पार्ट that why this whole class. All right, so few terms which are related to this term personality is temperament. Now what is temperament? It is a biologically based characteristic way of reacting, right? So how you react. Some people, आपने ये पढ़ा होगा ना, that so and so person is very short tempered, right? So what does it mean to be short tempered? It simply means that person becomes easily angered or agitated, right? तो उसका temperament ही वैसा है. Similarly, some people are always very calm and composed no matter what is happening, or you might scold them, or you might irritate them. They do, they are able to maintain their composure. They do not lose their cool that easily. So that is, what is it? क्या उनको ऐसे अलग कैसे करता है? This is our temperament, how we react to things happening around us, right? Then traits are again stable, persistent, and specific ways of behaving. We refer to them as traits. Similarly, we have the term disposition, which is a tendency of a person to react to a given situation in a particular way. Then the terms which are important for us, that is character. Character is the overall pattern of regularly occurring behavior. जैसे हम ये कहते हैं ना, like in your recommendation letters or otherwise, these words are mentioned that this person is of a noble character. This person has his character is imbibed with good values, right? So that tells how you regularly behave. Then we have the term habit. Habit is again learned modes of behaving. जैसे habit होता है कि कोई आपने behavior जो कि learn कर लिया and it is regular. Like somebody has a habit of always reaching late. Somebody has a habit of always reaching in time. Right? So this is just learned modes of behavior, some behaviors which you have really learned and imbibed in yourself. Then what are values? Values are goals and ideals that are considered important and worthwhile to achieve. Now this is what we aim for. Just honesty, right? Then value would be being like we say morals and values, honest, being helpful, right? All these would come in within the term of values. So moving, I'll just end the screen share here. So now I want you all to quickly take out 5 minutes. I'll share a link here in the chat. So I was going through various personality tests which are out there, available out there. So this one was kind of appropriate for our activity. So yes, bache, all of you just take a few minutes. Try to attempt this test. All right. And further we can discuss the results. So yes, just take, this won't take more than 5 to 7 minutes, right? Whenever you come to the point of results, that we would discuss in class. So has everyone received the link in the chat? Do raise your hands or reply in the chat itself. हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes, बच्चे, have you received the link?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you may start attempting this test. It's I found this to be a very interesting one, right? And it won't take long. So take your time and complete the questions. In case you have any problem with any word or any question, you are most welcome to ask, right? You can just raise your hand or you can share the same in the chat box. So just let me know once you have completed it. Excuse me. And just I don't want to interrupt you much. I just wanted to, share that go with the first response which strikes you. Right? Don't spend too much time thinking on each question about what I am supposed to write. क्योंकि जो आपका first response होगा, that would be very accurate and true. That would be exactly how you feel about it, right? जब हम ज़्यादा उस पर सोचने लग जाते हैं, we spend more time. We try to think of, am I really like that, or how I would like to pursue, show myself to be. फिर हम थोड़ा मतलब we, tend to be less honest with our responses. So in all the personality tests, what is important is that you should be very truthful. Don't worry about what the results might show or what people might think. It's nothing like that. You have to be true to yourself and truthfully you have to attempt the questionnaire. Right? So that is true for any psychological test you might appear for, be it for your personality or your any of your aptitude tests, right?
मैम वो नेक्स्ट पेज नहीं हो रहा उसका.
बेटा in your on own मतलब at your end next page नहीं किया जा रहा.
नो मैम हो नहीं रहा.
All right. Did you mark all the options?
यस मैम.
So I don't really know since in my screen I am able to. It's just asking me to mark the answers. Right. So I can just randomly mark something and try to move to the next page. Is anybody else facing the same issue? So I'm not really, attempting it. I'm just marking these responses so that I can check.
मैम हो गया हो गया.
हो गया? All right.
एक क्वेश्चन यस मैम एक क्वेश्चन का रहेगा.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. So I think it does take time, right? We get to think about things we never even thought of. You might not have given thought to this question, whether you like this or not, whatever is being asked in the questionnaire. So you can just, let me know or drop a message whenever you have completed it. So Sudhanshu, make sure that you attend the next lectures, all the lectures of this class, since you are short on lectures, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so you have just attended 3 classes so far. We have had around 9. Right, and I want to compliment Nikhil and Vishal and Arvind. They have been really regular. And Harmanpreet as well. Right, so students, you must keep it up. I want Sonali as well to be more regular. Right, Sonali?
Yes, ma'am. एक मिनट चाहता है
Alright, so how many questions are you left with? There are 5 pages in all, right? So just another piece of advice, just take a screenshot once you get the result. So even if the class ends, right, you will have the screenshot saved with you, and in the next class we can discuss it. And you must have noticed all the questions that begin with I. So all these statements, they deal with what kind of person you are. So students, how much are you left with? Another 5 minutes would be good.
मैम मेरे में तो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है।
अच्छा, प्रॉब्लम आ रही
जैसे
है।
फर्स्ट पेज को नेक्स्ट, यस मैम, नेक्स्ट पेज करते सारी ना,
हाँ
तो
जी।
फिर से वो
मैम
रिफ्रेश कर
दोबारा
देता है फर्स्ट
क्वेश्चन
पेज पे।
रिपीट हो जाते हैं।
ओके सोनाली, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
मैम मेरे भी नेक्स्ट नहीं आ ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट नहीं हो पा रही, दोबारा वही क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो रहे हैं।
Okay, so I think that might be some issue with the website being opened in your cell phone, right? You might be using your cell phone
यस
right now.
मैम।
Okay, so
यस मैम।
I think थोड़ा
यस
उसका
मैम।
issue होगा. So is anybody else also facing similar issues? हाँ जी, गुरप्रीत, सुधांशु.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, are you facing any issues attempting the test?
No, ma'am.
All right. What about you, Sudhanshu, Karan?
No, ma'am.
All right. What about?
No, ma'am.
All right. So we'll just wait, right? So बच्चे, I can suggest maybe you try it sometime later, right? Otherwise, I think I won't be able to send you the copy because then I won't have the method to assess it. This is like the website assesses it for you. I tried finding its methodology, but वो मुझे मिल नहीं रही थी. हाँ जी बच्चे.
Ma'am, I got results.
Okay, so you were able to get the results. Just save those results, right? Take a screenshot or whatever, so that whenever we are having the next discussion, you are able to follow,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So the rest of the students, has anybody finished? हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes, Vishal, Sudhanshu, Karan. Yes बच्चे, am I audible to you? Yes, Vishal. What about you, Sudhanshu and Karan? हाँ जी, Sudhanshu, Karan, Arvind.
Yes, ma'am.
So Sudhanshu, were you able to complete the test?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what about you, Karan?
मैम नो, अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ।
Okay. पर next page हो रहा है आपसे? And गुरप्रीत?
यस मैम।
Okay, ठीक है. गुरप्रीत, आपका
हाँ।
बेटा complete हो गया?
मैम थोड़ा सा रह गया बस.
ठीक है. Okay, continue. And Arvind, what about you?
मैं कर रहा हूँ.
All right. So Sonali and Harman, I'll try to see if I could send you the questions in some manner, right? And then
नो मैम,
also.
चल पड़ा,
अच्छा, चल पड़ा?
हो गया।
ठीक है.
यस मैम।
सोनाली, what about you?
मैम मेरा नहीं हो रहा, मैंने ट्राई किया फिर से, फिर भी नहीं हो रहा।
Okay. चलो, maybe you can try it sometime later. कई बार it might be some issue with network or even the website itself, right? So what I wanted to basically discuss was, I wanted to discuss the traits which are being checked by this test, right? So I'll just share the PPT screen with you. So in case the class ends today, these are the traits I wanted to discuss, and you will get to, your results will also be somewhat in this form, right? INJ, INFJ, something like that. Once we have discussed this, you will be able to interpret your results. So just let me know the ones who are still, attempting it once they have completed. हाँ जी बच्चे, कंप्लीट हो गया। Yes, Bachche, I just wanted to, briefly talk about why, personality assessment is important, right? So let me know how much are you left with. Yes, Karan, Sudhanshu. So the students who missed the last class, right? I think Gurpreet, Karan and Sudhanshu, they missed it. Right, so I would suggest that you try writing what I had asked the rest of the students to write. Right, something very brief about who you think you are as a person. Right, I don't want details about your family or what school you went to, right, what college you are attending. Just about what you are, who you are as a person, your interests, your likes, your dislikes, all right? So do remember that and then you can share the write-up with me. All right, for the three of you.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो बच्चे अभी कितना रहता है आपका क्वेश्चनर? Either you can complete it later, right? I just wanted to briefly talk about why personality assessment is important. So first of all, you guys tell me, why do you think why is it important, personality assessment? हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes, Sonali, Vishal. हाँ जी, Harman, Arvind, why do you think is personality assessment important? Or what could be the purpose of this activity? हाँ जी बच्चे, anything? Come on, think about it. Why, even when you will be sitting for your placements, right? 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you will probably be facing personality tests as well, right? Even the interview is called a personality test, one of the types of personality tests, right? So what is the whole idea of taking that interview? Hanji bache, what do you think about it? Yes, Harman, Arvind? This is something you can easily answer, Sonali.
हम क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना दोबारा।
Yes, I am asking कि आपको क्या लगता है कि पर्सनैलिटी जो असेसमेंट का टेस्ट है जैसे अभी आपने दिया, राइट? यहाँ जैसे हमारी इंटरव्यू होती है उसमें भी पर्सनैलिटी असेसमेंट होती है, तो उसका पर्पस क्या होगा? मतलब व्हाई डू दे टेक दैट इंटरव्यू?
मैम वो कंपनी जानना चाहती है कि जो कैंडिडेट है ना वो किस तरह का है, उसका नेचर कैसा है,
ऑल
कि
राइट, वेरी
मैम वो
गुड।
आगे हमारी कंपनी को ज्वाइन करने के बाद हमारे एम्प्लॉयज के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन बना पाएगा कि नहीं बना पाएगा, हमारी कंपनी को कहाँ तक ले जा सकता है, उसकी सोच कैसी है।
बिल्कुल सही बता रहे हो आप, राइट? ओके, सो कैन यू टेल मी अदर एग्जामिनेशंस वेयर इंटरव्यू इज कंपल्सरी? राइट, नो डाउट हमारे हर एक जॉब में तो इंटरव्यू होती है। कोई एग्जामिनेशन भी आप सोच सकते हैं जिसमें जैसे 3 स्टेप्स आर देयर एंड द फाइनल स्टेप इज इंटरव्यू?
मैम यूपीएससी एग्जाम।
Yes, very true. UPSC exam, then even our state exams, right? State जो PCS हो गया. Which other exams? अच्छा, जो अपने एंट्रेंस टेस्ट होते हैं इंजीनियरिंग, उसमें होती है इंटरव्यू?
मैम उसमें तो नहीं होती है मैम, गेट एग्जाम होता है ना।
हाँ जी।
उसमें मैम तो सीधा एग्जाम होता है ना, उसमें नहीं होता है।
ऑल राइट, वो सीधा एग्जाम ही होता है। जैसे इधर भी आपका JEE का एग्जाम होता है, राइट? सो इट इज जस्ट वन एग्जाम, रिटन एग्जाम, राइट?
यस मैम।
So even if you are familiar, then all our exams for entry into NDA, that is National Defense Academy, right? Or for joining the armed forces, be it the Indian Navy, Air Force or the Army, you have to sit for the interview as well, right? So you all might be familiar with this idea. And yes, why do they take it? They want to know what kind of person you are. So the purpose of the test which I gave you, that is also the similar, that we want to know what kind of person you are. Now कई बार होता है कि yes, we do know that what are our interests, what are not. At times you do get to know further in detail, right? You kind of discover yourself through these tests. So I'll continue my discussion on this same topic in the next class, and we'll probably conclude it in the next class as well, right? Till then, yes, do complete the test, those of you who were still attempting, and remember to take a screenshot of your result. All right? So that will be all from my side. I'll end the class now. In case you want to share anything, you are most welcome. Yes, Gurpreet?
मैम आई गॉट माई रिजल्ट। मैम अब उसका मैं पूरे का रिजल्ट मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूं?
हाँ जी, वो जो कीवर्ड्स आए हैं ना उनका आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर रख लो. नेक्स्ट क्लास में we'll discuss the results, then you'll be able to